Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share an Instagram story link directly from your PC, this guide is for you. With the latest Instagram update, sending a story link has never been easier. Let's walk through the steps together so you can share your favorite moments with friends in just a few clicks. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and head to your main feed. At the top of the page, you'll see stories lined up from the accounts you follow. Next, find the story you want to share. Click on the profile picture of the user whose story has caught your eye. The story will open in full view, ready for your next move. Now, look to the top right corner of the story window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them. This opens a small menu with several options. From this menu, choose Copy URL. Instantly, the direct link to that specific story is copied to your clipboard, making it ready to share. With the link copied, it's time to send it to someone. On the left side of your Instagram screen, find and click on Messenger. This will open your list of chats and groups. Enter the chat where you want to send the story link. In the message box, right-click and select Paste, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. The link to the story will appear in the chat window, ready to go. Hit send, and just like that, your friend or group will receive the direct link to the Instagram story. They can click it and view the story instantly, no extra steps needed. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, sharing Instagram stories from your PC is quick and seamless. Try it out the next time you want to keep your friends updated or share something special you found. Thanks for watching and enjoy connecting through Instagram's latest features.